Good morning, students. I am sure that all of you are safe and healthy at home with continued studies. Under virology, today I will discuss with you about orthomyxovirus, especially influenza virus. Term myxovirus used for a group of enveloped RNA viruses characterized by ability to adhere on the mucoprotein receptors on erythrocytes causing hemagglutination. Myxoviruses are ability to attack towards mucils, the influenza virus. First of all is the morphology. Influenza virus being pleomorphic with a spherical diameter around 80 to 120 nanometer. Genetic material is RNA and present in 8 pieces. Enzyme necessary for the transcription of viral RNA in infected cell, RNA dependent RNA polymerase. A bilayer envelope made of inner protein layer and outer lipid layer is present surrounding nucleocapsid. Protein part of envelope that is viral coded, also known as matrix protein, M protein, while the lipid part is derived from the host cell membrane during the process of replication by budding. And enveloped two type of projections spikes peplomeres are present. The first one being hemagglutinin spikes that is triangular in the cross section, and the other being the neuraminidase that is mushroom shaped. Next will be the resistance of the virus. The virus is inactivated at 50 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes, survive at -4 degrees centigrade for weeks, and -70 degrees centigrade for years. Ether formaldehyde, phenols and iodine destroy the virus. Here is the one important process in the influenza virus, that is hemagglutination. What is hemagglutination? Hemagglutination is the characteristic property of influenza virus. By this, virus gets adhered on the mucoprotein receptors of cell surface. The virus links together a adjacent cell producing hemagglutinin, which is the property of hemagglutinin peplomeres on the viral surface. The hemagglutination following after a time by detachment of the virus from cell surface, the reversing process of hemagglutination. This reversing process is known as elution and is caused by an enzyme present on the virus surface, the neuraminidase. The neuraminidase enzyme acts on cell receptor and destroys it by splitting of N-acetyl neuraminic acid. Thus, virus and cell attachment and deattachment involve two processes, that are hemagglutination and elution. And enzymes are responsible for these are found on virus surface. Virus particles after elution from cells are capable to agglutinizing fresh red cells, but red cells that have been already acted on by virus are not susceptible to the agglutination by the same strain of virus, and may be susceptible by other strain of virus due to destruction of specific cell receptors by initial or previous virus infection. Now we come to the antigenic structure. There are two types of antigens in influenza virus. The inner one antigen is and the outer antigen. The internal antigen is the ribonucleoprotein and known as RNP antigen. RNP antigen are the A, B and C types. RNP antigen is the type specific and based on this nature of influenza virus, and also are A, B and C types. anti-RNP antibody developed after infection but not following killed vaccination. Second type, that is M protein antigen, and this is also specific and are A, B and C type for influenza viruses. The involved lipid antigen is host specific and determined by host species in which virus replicate. The hemagglutinin is a glycoprotein composed of two polypeptides HA1 and HA2. It helps to virus for the hemagglutination and hemoadsorption to adsorb mucoprotein receptors and red cells and respiratory epithelial cells. Anti-hemagglutination antibodies are produced after infection and immunization, which is protective by preventing virus adsorption. Hemagglutinin is also strain specific, and there is 15 types HA in avian influenza virus and 4 types in the human influenza virus, that is H1 to H4. The neuraminidase is the glycoprotein enzyme and destroys cell receptors by hydrolytic cleavage. Anti-neuraminidase antibody formed after infection or immunization inhibits the release and spread of progeny virus and contribute limiting the infection. The neuraminidase is also strain specific, and there are 9 types of neuraminidase from N1, N2, N3 and N9. Now come to the antigenic variation. Antigenic variation is the unique property of influenza virus and its ability to antigenic variation. Antigenic variation is highest in type A, less in type B, and there is no variation in type C. The internal RNP antigen and M protein antigen are stable, but both surface antigens, hemagglutinin and neuraminidase, undergoes variation by 2 types, that is antigenic drift and antigenic shift. Gradual, sequential, regular, frequent change in antigenic structure is known as antigenic drift. Antigenic drift is due to mutation and selection and process being induced by the presence of antibodies to previous strain in host population. Antigenic drift is the responsible for the periodic epidemics of influenza, and an abrupt large discontinuous variation in antigenic structure is antigenic shift, which may invade in the hemagglutinin and neuraminidase both. For examples, H1N1, H2N2 and H3N3. H1N1 is known as the Spanish flu, H2N2 Asian flu, H3N2 is the Hong Kong flu. Now come to the pathogenesis. The route of entry of influenza virus is respiratory tract. The ciliated cells of respiratory tract are the main site of viral infection. The cells are damaged and bear the basal cells in trachea and bronchi, which are the result in more chance to bacterial infection. Virus mainly invade respiratory tract but may go to spleen, liver and kidney. Now come to the clinical features. The incubation period for the influenza virus is 1 to 3 days. There may be mild coryza to severe fetal pneumonia. Most cases are subclinical with abrupt onset fever, headache, myalgia, abdominal pain and vomiting may present. The uncomplicated disease resolved within a week, that is 7 days. Most complicated cases being pneumonia, that is fetal, may involve bacteria or alone viral. Lab diagnosis. The demonstration of influenza virus antigen and nasopharyngeal cells by immunofluorescence or detection of viral RNA by PCR method. Immunity. An influenza attack develop immunity for 1 to 2 years. The short duration of immunity is due to antigenic variation by virus. That is the reason that there is no available vaccine for influenza virus, and same is the reason for influenza epidemics and pandemics is ability to undergo genetic variation, antigenic drift resulting from mutation and selection. There is chances of new hybrid be involvement of pigs and duck in China. Pandemic strain are originate as there is millions of birds, pigs and people live closely together. Now come to the prophylaxis. The major difficulty in immunoprophylaxis for influenza virus that there is frequent changes in the antigenic makeup of the virus. Treatment. There are some homeopathic treatments and allopathic treatments. For allopathic mode of treatments, amantadine, rimantadine, here is the two new medicines, Genovir and oseltavir drugs. These drugs that block neuraminidase and effective in the treatment and prevention of influenza virus. For homeopathic mode of treatment, arsenic, apis, bel, brandia, nux vomica on the basis of totality of symptoms. And under prophylaxis in homeopathy, there is the influenzinum 30, which is useful in prevention and taken on each 30 days for single dose. This was all about influenza virus. Thanks.